A digital business card lets you share all your important information with a single click or a single tap. In this short video, I'll show you how to create your first digital business card in Fulpio. Sign in using your email and password, or use your Google or Apple account. After signing in, you'll land in the Profiles section. Click Add New and create your first digital business card. First, choose a template. You can select a ready-made design or start with a simple style called Custom Design. Don't worry, you can change the template anytime in the Design section. In the next step, name your profile. This name is visible only to you inside the app. Now choose the web address for your profile. Pick a simple name without special characters. The part fulpio.com/u/ is already pre-filled. You only edit the text after the last slash. Fulpio automatically checks if the address is available. If you want, you can also keep the address generated automatically by the app. However, it's not very easy to read, so we recommend choosing your own name. Click Continue. Your profile is now created. Your digital business card is now ready for customization and adding content. In the next video, we'll show you how to add content blocks.